Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Zenes Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. You can get this product on Amazon for about $140. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is mostly positive. It looks like this is a very nice product. In my opinion, the intake valve could be a little bit wider. The water tank is removable and should be removed when using only the vacuuming function. The water tank is a little bit slim, so you have to be careful when filling it up with water. Unfortunately, it's a little bit complicated to insert the plug. The vacuum cleaner is designed for hard floor and thin carpet. When you use it on hard floor, you can attach the two side brushes, the water tank and the mop. I also tested it on carpet without the side brushes, the water tank and the mop, and it still works. You can use the pointer to guide the vacuum cleaner moving to the position you want. When the battery is low, the vacuum cleaner will automatically move back to the docking station for auto recharge. It takes about 4 hours to fully recharge the vacuum cleaner. Cleaning the dustbin is pretty easy and only takes a few seconds, but you should be very careful. I tested the vacuum cleaner for about 2 weeks and I think it's a good product. I wouldn't use it as a replacement for my regular vacuum cleaner, but if you use it as an additional vacuum cleaner to go around the house by itself and pick up some dust, it really does the job. So if you hate dust and vacuuming, I would recommend the Zenes Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.